Here in Utah, we have extreme conditions. We have a very hot and dry summers to very cold and wet winters. That's a very harsh environment to put a piece of equipment through. Starting process, that's where our batteries come in. But other vendors, they're bringing us in batteries that weren't charged up. In all the meantime, you got a piece of equipment that's down. Caterpillar batteries has fixed that problem. The benefit is we're not using as many batteries. We're not having the downtime because the equipment is running. And we're dealing with 50 plus mixers, 100 plus trucks, not counting all the CAT equipment. It just starts, it just runs. We're dealing with other more important things.
The heavy duty batteries outperform the competition. Prior to New with Core, we would receive batteries and help our customers process them as scrap. We were helping them as a convenience to them, but it didn't really add any value back from a product standpoint. They were used to getting core credits from competitors and different suppliers, and so we kind of had a gap in what we offered customers. The New with Corp allows us to give that customer that value back.
These are brand new batteries.
With all batteries being nearly 100% recyclable, those materials aren't going to waste and they're going to be reused in a new battery somewhere else down the line.
We have what we call vendor managed inventory. There's a lot of our bigger customers who's chosen to bring on an inventory that's managed by them to have on hand. This has been something that we haven't had in the past. With this process, that's opened a lot of doors for us.
We're not having to deal with the core batteries. Purchasers aren't having to deal with them. Our technicians, once we change the batteries out and stock the cores, we don't touch them anymore.
The customer is going to be issued a core credit for that battery. Customers typically receive core credit within 1 to 2 days after bringing that battery in across the counter.
It's just nice having Caterpillar take the cores from us. It's a peace of mind knowing that they're getting returned in a responsible manner. Wheeler is a one-stop shop for our equipment needs, not just CAT equipment. We're using CAT batteries in all of our equipment. It's a sole provider now for our batteries.